So today we will discuss about variables. So in COBOL we can also call it as identifiers or data items or data names. Okay, variables we can also call it as identifiers, data items and data names. Few people use data items and data names also in place of variables. Okay,
Okay.
by using variables we can store the data. So we have some data, okay? It may be numeric or alphabetic or alphanumeric. We want to
Uh,
store the data. So the data is stored in variables, okay? By using
yeah,
picture class, can allocate the memory.
very
So uh, into the COBOL variables, okay? By using picture class, we are allocating the memory. Okay, what is the memory for the numeric? We have 18 bytes maximum. Alphabetic and alphanumeric, we have 35,535 bytes of memory. So we are allocating some amount of memory by using picture class to the variables. Okay,
yes, Mani.
if we are writing any variable, we must and should follow some rules to write a variable name. Okay,
Okay.
so for suppose general example like our parents name like my name is Mani. So what my parents do first? So they will go to like maybe temple. So they will discuss with Pujari and they said what is my star and what is my date of birth timings. Okay, they used to check with that and name name it to me, right?
Huh.
So they used to follow some rules for naming to it. Okay. So in the
Yes, Mani.
same way, we used to follow some rules for declaring the variable names. So variable name is a user-defined name. So if you are declaring the variable, it is a user-defined. So it must. So variable name starts with alphabetics. Okay, variable name start with alphabetics and it contains A to Z, 0 to 9 and hyphen. Okay. You can write the
Yes.
variable name, capital A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9, and hyphen also, and minus. So,
Yes.
variable name should not contain the spaces. In between the variable name, we don't write spaces. Okay. So, the variable name maximum length is 30 characters. You can write up to maximum 30
But
characters. Okay.
yes.
So variable name declaration always start with level numbers. Previously we have already discussed about level numbers. So
Yeah.
if you are declaring the variable, we must and should start with the level numbers only. So variable declaration syntax is, so first we have to write the level number 01 or 02 to 49 subgroups. Okay, those level numbers we can start while declaring the variable. After declaring the level number, we can write our variable name by following these rules
Picture
and
class.
conditions, followed
Yes.
by picture class and what is the data type. Mm, Data type. Okay, and what is the data type? Numeric, alphabetic, and alphanumeric, and size. How much memory you want to allocate it? Mention in the size. Value class. By using value class, we are allocating this value to this COBOL variable name. Okay,
Yes, Mani.
so this is the syntax for the variable declaration. Level number, variable name, picture class, data type, size, value class, and assign value. This is the syntax for variable declaration. Okay.
Yes, Mani.
So picture class and value class both are system defined words. Okay. Both are system defined words. Okay.
Yes, Mani.
So picture class is to allocate the memory to the COBOL variables. Picture class means we are allocating the memory, okay,
To co.
to COBOL variables. So by using value class, we are allocating the data to the COBOL variables. Okay.
Okay.
Using picture class, we are allocating memory. By using value class, we are allocating data.
Yeah.
So to the COBOL variables. Okay.
Yes, Mani. Yes.
Picture class and value class we must and should at the time of variable declaration only. So here we use picture class, here we use value class.
Well,
So at the time of variable declaration only, we can use picture class and value class. Here are some examples. So my level number is 01, WS num is my variable name, picture class, data type. I'm allocating 4 bytes of memory size. By using value class, I'm allocating the value to the COBOL variable.
yes.
Then this is numeric, this is alphabetic, this is alpha.
Alphabet.
Okay,
Yes.
so these are all a correct way to write the
Variables.
variables. So here, why we will get the compilation error?
Because in picture class data type, we have given the size 3. But in the value class, we have assigned the value of character 5.
Okay, one more error. Can you please find it out?
This is in picture data type that is alphabetic, not numeric.
X we can write it as alpha combination of numeric and alphabetic. So here I'm allocating 3 bytes and here my data is 5 bytes of memory. It is one
Yeah.
compilation error. And one more thing is uh, alphanumeric represent within the codes. Here I will
Uh,
write the codes.
yeah.
So that is one more compilation error. Okay.
Yes, Mani. Clear.
So here,
Here in data type, it is given 5 size, but in value, it is given 3 characters. 1, 2, 3.
it is correct
So,
only now.
no, no, Mani.
Why no? I am allocating 5 bytes of memory, but I am using only 3
Yeah,
bytes of memory.
yeah, it's correct only.
Yeah. Why we will get the compilation error?
Okay, picture
Picture
was
clause.
missing.
Picture
So
value is not.
without picture class, I am directly declaring the variables. Okay,
Yeah.
that's why we will get the compilation error.
Okay, if we give a extra character size, we can give less value of value class value, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay, got it, Mani.
yeah. So here, why this is correct? Well, this variable declaration is correct syntax. How?
Uh, value class is not given, no? Value class.
Yes, we are not by using picture class we allocate some memory. Okay,
Yes.
but by using value class we are not allocating the data. Okay, we just
Oh,
allocated the memory first. Okay,
okay.
so by using in-stream data concept sysint dd star at the time of execution, I am passing my data to my COBOL variable that is dynamic. Okay,
Okay.
dynamic allocation.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So there are two ways to allocate the data. Okay, data allocations are two ways. So in COBOL, we have two ways to allocate the data. One is static allocation and another one is dynamic allocation. Okay.
Yes, Mani.
So using static allocation means before the program compilation only we are allocating the data to COBOL variables. Okay. So here at the time of program allocation or assigning the data to COBOL variables means in the within the program only I am allocating my data to COBOL variables. Okay.
Yes.
By using which class? Value class. By using value class, we can allocate the data to COBOL variables at the time of variable declaration only. See, 01 level number, my variable name, picture class, data type and size, value,
Right.
assign value. Okay, by using this value class, I am allocating 1, 2, 3, 4 is my data to my COBOL variable. Okay,
Yes, Mani. Clear.
so this is static allocation. Okay, within the program only allocating means call it as static allocation. So second way is dynamic allocation. So in dynamic, after the program compilation, what we will do? Execution. Okay.
Yes.
So after compilation, at the time of execution or runtime, both are same execution time or runtime, we can provide the data to COBOL variables. Okay, at the time of execution, we are passing the data to COBOL variables. So in execution JCL, by using in-stream data concept, we can pass the data.
Okay.
So in execution JCL, in-stream data concept is present. So once you open your X run PDS JCL, sorry, X run member, that is a JCL script. If you go to last line, you can see sysin dd star. So in slash slash sysin dd star and slash star, in between you can give your values. Okay.
Yes. Yes, Mani.
So here slash slash is the starting point and slash star is the ending point for the sysin dd star. Okay.
Got it.
We are passing the data from where?
Value
We are passing the data from where?
execution in this
Yes,
year.
we are passing data from execution JCL. Who will receive the data? Okay.
COBOL.
By using accept statement, we will receive the data. So that accept statement will assign the value to the COBOL variables. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes, Mani.
Our execution JCL, in execution JCL, we are passing the data by using sysindd star. So those values are accepted by the accept statement. So that accept statement will allocate the value to the COBOL variables. Okay.
Yes, Mani. Okay.
Syntax for the accept statement is accept variable name. Okay. What is
Yes.
the variable we declare in here? So here I declare WSA. That is my variable name. So
Yeah.
I have to write accept WSA. Okay. So note in single accept statement only for single variable at a time. Means if you are passing the data from execution JCL to COBOL program, at a time, the accept statement will receive the data only one value at a time. Okay. If you want to
Yes.
pass two or three values, if you want to pass three values, you need to write three accept statements. If you want to pass two values, you can write two accept statements. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Accept statement will receive only one value at a time. Okay.
Yes, Mani.
Money for this accept value means we don't have any like what we have studied today.
What, Gopal?
Means no, Actually, for this accept means accept statement na, we
Yes,
don't have any like wait a minute.
compatibility rules.
We don't have any compatibility rules na.
Yes, yes. In today class,
Uh,
we'll discuss, no?
yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
I
So,
forget it that compatibility word.
yes. So, wait a second. So, here are some examples. This is my COBOL program and this is my execution JSL. Okay. So, 01, it's my level number, variable name, picture class, data type is 9 and 4 bytes of memory allocated. Okay. In the
Yes.
program itself, in procedure division, I used to write accept WSA variable name. Okay. So in execution JCL, using instant data concept system register, I am passing the data 1, 2, 3, 4 to COBOL variable. Okay. This 1, 2, 3, 4 data received by the accept statement to WSA COBOL variable. Okay.
Okay, man.
So if I want to declare two variables, I need to write two accept statements and I used
Too
to
well.
write two values. Okay.
Yes.
And like so in which order we write the accept statement? In systemd star also we need to pass the data in the same order only. Okay. If I write WSB here and WSA here, in the same way also I used to pass the data first B value and then A value. Okay.
Okay.
So without value class and without accept statement, without I want to pass the data from JCL to three variables means I can create the group variable. Okay. Within the group I have three subgroups. Okay. I am passing the data directly to the group variable. Okay.
Okay.
So that group variable will allocate the data to remaining three subgroup variables. Okay. Here
Yes.
numeric data type 4 bytes. So the first 4 bytes will be allocated to numeric 4 bytes and alphanumeric 3 bytes. Next 3 bytes is allocated to alphanumeric 3 bytes. Next alphabetic 5 bytes. Last 5 bytes will be allocated to alphabetic 5 bytes. Okay, if I display WSA means I can see only 1, 2, 3, 4. If I display WSC means I can see only COBOL. Okay,
Yes, man.
so with the help of group variable, I am passing the data to subgroup variables at a time. Okay, uh,
Okay.
so here I didn't write this here. So here I used to write accept WS G1. Okay, got it.
Yes, man.
By using single accept statement, I am allocating the three variables data with the help of group
Okay,
variable.
we are giving this data to accept statement group variable.
Yes.
Okay.
So the group variable will allocate the data to subgroup variables. Okay.
Okay, but suppose in the subgroup
Okay.
02 BS slash B pick X2 will be there. Means alphanumeric value only 2 will be there. Then what will happen?
Wait a second. I'll write it here. So tell me.
Yeah, suppose in the subgroups now we have given
Yeah.
for alphabetic there will be 4. Okay, but for alphanumeric
Hmm.
X3 we have given na
Yeah.
bytes 3 bytes we have given. So if suppose we will means gives 2.
Okay.
And in ASUP statement, we will give db2 only.
Okay, you want to here 9. Tell me the syntax. I will write here 9 of
Okay,
how many by 4.
9 4 only. It's okay.
Okay,
Alphabetic will be 4. Okay. After that, x of 2.
okay,
Hmm. And a of 5.
okay,
Okay. And in ASUP statement, we will give the same 1, 2, 3, 4 db2 cobol.
okay. So
And what will be, if we print 0 to bs picture close x3, x2, then what will print?
this will be your output 1, 2, 3, 4 dB and 2 COBO. Okay, L will be truncated, I think.
Okay, L will be truncated.
So once uh, you can go to practice and check it once.
Okay, sure.
So the next topic is display statement. Okay. So by using display statement, we can see the output in the spool area. Okay. So we can print our messages and outputs into the spool area with the help of display statement. Okay. So here the display statement is also one of the COBOL statements. Okay.
Yes.
So syntax for the displaying to print a message. Okay. Syntax is display. So within the quotes, what I want to display, the text will be written within the quotes only. Okay. If I want to print within the quotes, what I am writing, it may be a space or any special character, etc. What you have written within the quotes, the same data will be copied into the output field. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So to print a variables, syntax is display variable name. Okay.
Mm.
So here what I am writing, display within the quotes hello world. So it will copy into the spool area hello world. Okay. So within the quotes I am writing hi mainframes. In spool area I can see hi mainframes. Okay. Within the quotes what I am writing, display COBOL@JCL $vision. So same data will be copied into the output field. Okay.
Yes, Mani.
So here I am displaying the variable. So, I am declaring the 01 level number, WSA my variable name, picture class, numeric 4 bytes of memory. By using value class, I am allocating the data to my COBOL variable. Okay, display. If I want to display variable, display WSA. So it will copy into spool area and display 1959. Okay, this value is allocated to where? To my COBOL variable by using value class, right? So that variable, what is the value inside this variable will be displayed in the spool area. Okay. So if I am writing WSA within the quotes, I can see WSA only in the spool area. Why? Because I am writing WSA. Here WSA is what? It is my variable name. But I am writing WSA within the quotes. Okay. within the codes what I am writing, it will directly copied into the spool area. Okay. If we remove the codes for the WSA, it will display the value of WSA value. If I am writing WSA within the codes, I can see WSA in the spool area. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So the next example is 01 WSA picture class 904. I'm allocating 1959 is my value. And the next variable is WSV picture class alphanumeric 5 bytes COBOL. Okay. I want to display two values in a single statement. So here I am giving some space. Okay. Display WSA space WSB. Okay. So I want to
Yes.
display WSA value space WSB. Okay.
Okay.
So, but in spool area I can see 1959 without space COBOL. Okay. If I manually I am providing the space in between WSA and WSC, but it won't take the manual spaces in between any variables. It will directly show combined word. Okay, single word. Okay. So if we
Yes.
want to separate these two values, I can give within the quotes comma separation. Okay. 19 WSA 1959 comma WSV COBOL. Okay. So in place of comma, I'm writing at the rate. So in place of comma, I'll get at the rate. Okay.
Yes.
So the next topic is about datasets. So datasets we can also call it as files. Okay. So
Yes.
if you once open into the your emulator, you can see ISPF tool. So using that ISPF tool, you can configure the datasets. Means you can create the datasets and you can open the datasets. So ISPF means Interactive System Procedure Facility. The full form of ISPF.
Yes,
So
Mani.
using dataset, we can access the coding sheet. So by using datasets only, I can access the coding sheet. So if
Yes.
I don't create the dataset means I can't do anything in the mainframe servers. Okay, without datasets, I can't do any action or any perform. Nothing I can do without creating the datasets. Okay, so
Yes.
there are two types of datasets. One is permanent dataset and another one is temporary
Tem-
dataset. So permanent dataset and temporary datasets. And coming to temporary datasets, we'll see this topic temporary datasets in JCL sort utility. So coming to permanent dataset, we have two more datasets. One is non-VSEM and the other one is VSEM. Okay. So coming to non-VSEM, we will see PS, PDS library, extend, large and basic. So these are the datasets in the non-VSEM. So in VSEM, by using VSEM, we can store the data. Okay, we already see the VSEM file in demo class only. If you want to store customer data permanently, so we can use VSEM. So in VSEM, the data will be stored in form of files, right?
Yes.
So that is VSEM. We will discuss about VSEM later. So now we will discuss about non-VSEM files. So in non-VSEM we have PS, PDS and library. So in the
Okay.
real time also we can use only PS, PDS and library only. Okay.
Okay.
So by using non-VGEM, we can, this non-VGEM dataset, we can build the COBOL programs, we can build the JCL script by using DB2. We can build the DB2 queries and to access the coding sheet. Okay, ISPF tool we are using the datasets. These are all for non-VGEM dataset. Okay.
Yes.
So in the real time also we can use only 3 non-VGEM datasets, PS, PDS and library. Okay.
Yes.
So PS means physical, sequential or sequential dataset or flat file or sequential file. So these are all named for PS file. Okay. So
Yeah.
we are in the beginning stage only. So that's why we can call it as PS file. Okay. So
Okay.
once you complete the COBOL and enter into the VSM, so in VSM we will call PS file as a flat file. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
PS file we can also call it as flat.
Platform.
So in the real time also we will use only flat files word. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So there is no difference. They are different types of names. So in PS what we can do is only one program we can write in the PS. Only one program
What?
we can write in the PS. Okay. So
Yes.
uh, PS directory block parameter value should be 0. So if you want to create a PS dataset, so directory block of the PS should be 0.
Zero.
Okay, don't write non-zero values. Write only 0 value. 0. Okay. So PS main purpose is to store the data. Okay. PS the main purpose is to store the data. So by using dataset we can use dataset in sequential order. Okay. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Coming to PDS. PDS means partition dataset. So it is a collection of members or programs. So for our understandable purpose, we are using programs, but uh, coming to real time in office, we use only members. Okay, don't use programs. Members and programs are same. For our understandable purpose only, we are using programs. So we call it as members. Okay.
Okay.
So in the mainframe screen also, you can see the right member name. It displays the member name only. Keyword for where you want to write the member name. Some specific spaces there we can see only member name, not program name. Okay. So in single PDS, I can write number of programs. Number of members. So this number of programs will be based on the directory block. Okay. How many programs I want to write it in the one PDS means. So that will be decided by the directory block parameter. Okay, there is a formula for the directory block, that is 6n minus 1. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
here n is number of directory block. So I'm applying. So there is one example, money.pds. This is my PDS name. So in my directory block, I'm providing my value is 10. Okay.
Yes.
So this formula is applicable here. 6n minus 1 in n plus we can write 10. 6 into 10, 60 minus 1, 59. Okay. So if you write directory block as 10, you can write 59 programs in the money.pds. Okay.
Okay.
If you write 5 in the directory block, 6 and minus 1, 6 5 30 minus 1, 29. So I can write 29 programs in the money.pds. Okay. Based on this formula, how many programs I want to write will be written in the PDF based on this directory block value. Okay.
Okay.
So in PDS, that directory block is what? In PDS, that directory block should be 0.
0. Yeah.
So, but in PDS,
It should be non-zero.
it should be
Non-zero.
Okay.
Yes.
So programs, you can also call it as source code. Okay.